Hi everyone. So today for our special shout out, it's Saturday, so every Saturday I go to a local business and I put a spotlight on them. So today I choose the Good Art Company, and this is my favorite and best art store in Birmingham. And if we're gonna let you look around and you're gonna see how much beautiful art this place is filled with, but I'm not gonna take the spotlight. I'm just introducing. So I'm gonna turn it over to the manager. Mimsy. I knew that.
Hey, I'm Amy Mims. I'm Mimsy. I'm owner of the Good Art Company. And what we do here is we rent out space to local artists. We got about 32 local artists, and they all sell their stuff here. And believe it or not, our commissions and rental space is so low, they actually get to make money. So besides that, we do classes, we do sip and paints, parties, stuff like that. So people just walk in and paint. It has a good vibe to it. It's a nice place to hang out.
Good.
Thanks.
So how long have you all been here now?
I've been in this location over a year and a half. I was one street over for a year. We do well being across the street from the Bright Star. It's very helpful.
Yes.
And Bessemer's growing, so we're part of that. We're looking forward to it.
Beautiful.
All right.
That is beautiful.
Good.
Yes, and so we're gonna show you around so you can see all this beautiful artwork. But some of the artwork is mine, yes. And that's how
This
I found
one.
Mimsy, because
Right over here.
for a while I was actually going to different shows and events, and so I Googled and somehow I found Mimsy, and I'm so glad because my artwork has been safe here. It's not blowing away at different events, so I'm so grateful for Mimsy, and she is correct. She does charge a very small fee, and it does allow you to actually make some money. So if you guys are local artists and you're looking for some place to host your paintings, your artwork, whatever that is, your craft, definitely come down here, speak with Mimsy, and you won't regret it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let you look around.
And how can they contact you?
So our phone number is 205-997-8284. And the website is www.goodartcompany.net, and we're located at 230 19th Street North in Bessemer.